मुझे ना बारिश का मौसम सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Hence, I love going on long drives in the outskirts of my city. I absolutely love wandering in places which are just enveloped by nature, unexplored and untouched. So, before filming this video, I had actually gone out just to enjoy this blissful weather. Anyways, hi everyone, my name is Shubham and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare one of my favorite dish, which is stuffed fried chilies, mirchi bhaji, that is called in Marathi, and I am going to pair it with masala tea. So without further ado, let's get started. So the ingredients will require are half kg of long green chilies. They are not too spicy, hence I've used them. Then half tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 cup of rice flour, bunch of chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoon of dried mango powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, approximately 4 cups of gram flour or besan, and last but not the least 1 glass of water. So to prepare our masala chai, we'll first require chai powder around 4 teaspoon and then 4 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of masala chai mix, a bunch of lemongrass leaves, 1 elaichi or cardamom, 1 clove, a mug of milk, and last but not the least a big glass of water. So now that all ingredients are laid out, we'll start by making fried chili. So to begin with, we'll start by preparing the batter which is to be coated to all the chilies. Hence mix in all the dried ingredients first and combine them all thoroughly. Ensure that the bowl is clean and not wet because the baking soda might react with it and it might lose its effect. Once you are done mixing, keep this mixture aside and in the meanwhile heat the oil for around 5 to 9 minutes. Once the oil is heated, start pouring it in 3 to 4 batches to the dry ingredients mixture. Whisk it well and ensure that everything is coated thoroughly with the oil. You know guys, pouring in hot oil is actually the secret step for achieving a good fried chili or a mirchi bhaji. In this step, I am just breaking those large lump pieces and converting everything into a finer consistency. So now add in water in batches of 1 or 2 and keep on whisking everything well so that there are no lumps left at the last, and do not add too much of water in the first go. Add it bit by bit as seen in the clip. The consistency of the batter should be not too thick nor too thin, and it should be a bit flowy as seen in the clip. So we'll move on to the next crucial yet very lethal step, that is de-seeding these chilies. I recommend you to please wear gloves before handling them because I had to face the repercussions of not doing so. Hence, anyways, so for de-seeding, all that you have to do is slit all the chilies into half and with the back end of a spoon scrape out all the seeds. Once all these chilies are de-seeded, drench them in the batter and coat each and every one of them thoroughly from outside and inside. Don't leave out any areas or any nooks and crannies between them uncoated. In a fairly heated hollow utensil or a kadai, add in 4 cups of oil. You can add more, but this amount is sufficient. Please don't be conjuice and don't add less because you are going to need more oil as it includes frying. Hence, add in 2 chilies at a time and let them fry well. It will take approximately around 9 minutes for the chilies to turn a bit golden brown, which is when you remove them aside. Ensure that the oil is fairly heated whenever you fry a new batch of chilies. Please ensure that you don't overcrowd it with too many chilies as it won't help in evenly frying each. So background में तो क्लिप रोल होने ही वाला है, but just to let you know, say hi to this gorgeous beauty cause I'm using the kettle which my grandparents got in the year 1964. I'm very fond of vintage items and hence I thought of using it today. Anyways, jokes aside, keep the flame on a low heat and let all the tea के ingredients के flavors infuse and mellow in with each other. So during this period now, like everyone says, I'm fond of tea, I'm fond of coffee. I discovered, that I'm more of a chai person. Hence, I'm preparing masala tea today, and also I have become a pro at it. So when the tea concoction begins to boil, pour in hot milk, and it will take roughly around 10 minutes for the tea to boil, which is when you cover it up with the lid as seen in the clip. So guys, हमारा अभी मसाला चाय and fried chili ready हो गया है. So just plate it up and you can relish it with your family as you enjoy the weather. In this mellowful and heartwarming weather, this is one of the best dish which is like a cherry on top of the cake. I'm sure that most of you will love this recipe. You can also prepare batata, kanda, bhaji and as well as bread pakoda with this batter. And trust me, it will taste amazing. And if that's not enough, then the masala chai will really top it off. Anyways, the dish is very simple and easy to prepare, which makes it even more special, cause simplicity is the best policy. So if you like this recipe, do follow the drill. That is, like this video, share it with your family and friends, comment down below your thoughts about this recipe, do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you soon on the next Scrumptious Wednesday. Until then, bye, take care, be safe, much love.